Welcome to the Southwest Innovation Nation Roadshow. It marks the presentation of the government's Innovation Nation white paper to the region. And I'm delighted to welcome Ian Pearson, who is the Minister for Science and Innovation, and he's going to be telling us about his ideas and aspirations in the use of technology and developing value for the country. Here in the Southwest, we're really lucky. We have a vibrant knowledge economy, we have a very entrepreneurial spirit, and we have excellence in a number of sectors and technology capabilities, and we combine it with some of the most stunning natural environment in the UK. And so you find that we can attract people based not only on the world-class technical capability we have, but people make lifestyle choices to be down in the Southwest. But we're not just beautiful countryside and seaside. Not everyone knows it, but we are home to 5 of the top 10 most entrepreneurial cities here in the Southwest. We spend 10% more than the national average on R&D, which is a reflection of how important innovation is to us in developing our economy. And we are renowned, both nationally and worldwide, in a number of industries and technical capabilities. Just to mention some of the core ones: the creative industries, advanced engineering, silicon design, marine science, biomedical technologies, and more recently, renewable energies. And today, we'll have the opportunity to hear from 3 companies in different sectors who are in that entrepreneurial phase. They're bringing exciting products to market, and they'll be giving us information on their experience of access to funding and its impact on their development capability. So it's a real opportunity to learn firsthand, both from the Minister and from people who are actively involved in accessing funding to support their R&D and business development. It's particularly exciting to host it in Bristol, which is Science City Bristol. And we act as a hub to a thriving knowledge economy, world-class expertise in a number of areas. We have both industrial investment in advanced research and R&D, and we have universities with world-class research capabilities to train the next generation. We are known nationally and internationally, for instance, particularly for our strength in aerospace, the related advanced engineering areas in marine, in silicon design and the creative technologies, and we have this developing renewables and environmental sector. The Science City initiative is bringing all the forces together. It's bringing government, industry and academia to address the question of how we develop that world-leading expertise and then bring it to bear to develop wealth in the region. So I'm representing the Science and Industry Council, and we act as advisors to the Southwest Regional Development Agency on the relevance of science and technology and how it can be applied either in terms of directing funding or responding and reviewing initiatives or looking at how infrastructure should be developed in support of technology and research. The white paper, Innovation Nation, contains a section on regional level development. And the Science and Industry Council is working closely with the Regional Development Agency to look at how, in the context of Innovation Nation and the development of the funding processes through Technology Strategy Board under the DIAS organisation, how we can decide where to make investments and also how we relate to the national level initiatives. So we have a lot to build on in the Southwest. We have a long history in silicon design that goes, well, for instance, back to the establishment of INMOS in the Southwest. And it's not just technical capability. We have innovation and entrepreneurial spirit that really has grown out of that core history. We have vibrant businesses, high caliber workforce, which is important to have access to if you want to innovate and develop business capability. And also access to world-class capability in the relevant technical disciplines. It's resulted in having a vibrant innovation startup community in the sector, but it's also had the effect of attracting inward investment from global players. So in the Southwest we have Hewlett-Packard, ST Microelectronics, Toshiba and Siemens that bring to bear that global presence, but choose to invest in the Southwest, partly because of access to the high caliber workforce, but also the ecosystem of product and service providers that's already established around. So in a sense, we are the Silicon Valley of Europe, and we're going to take an opportunity to demonstrate just a small part of that to the Minister this afternoon when he goes and visits two companies in that area. We're also renowned as a world-class centre for advanced engineering, and we're home to global brands in aerospace, and again the ecosystem, a huge array of companies